In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a tail light on your Hyundai Sonata. Let's get started. Inside of your trunk, you should find a felt piece that is covering this. Remove that piece, and then you'll be able to see the back of the tail light. Remove the connector. There's a push tab on the back side. Push on that, pull straight out. Using a 10mm socket, remove the 4 nuts holding in the tail light. Push on the back side of the tail light, hold the front, and remove it from the vehicle. Install the new tail light assembly. Push it into place. Install the nuts. Snug the nuts down. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked in. Reinstall the felt piece if you have it, and then you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.